Hey kids, how are you?
We're good. Wait, maybe.
What is that? Huh?
Yeah.
Laway? Sino kausap mo, anak?
Si Mami. Sabi si Mami, baby. Si Mami.
Asan ang big sister mo? Ay, asan big sister mo?
Dito. Hi. I'm here.
Pakilala mo si Yan, anak.
This is Yan Yan.
What's her full name?
Her full name is Rihanna. Her last name is Lucky. She lives at the West Mall.
Wag na yung address.
Wait.
Ikaw ate, what's her name?
My name's Rain. My full name's Shireen Lucky. And I'm her ate.
Mm. Why do we call her Yan Yan? Eh.
It's just her nickname.
Oh. That's a big fart, baby. That's a big fart. Aho, aho. Oh. High five kay Mami. High five. High five. High five. Yay. Yay.
Yay!
High five ulit. High five. High five. Say hello to Lolo. Bibigay natin kay Lolo to.
Hello, Lola!
Ay, ikaw Yan Yan. Hello, Lolo?
Hi!
Hello, Lolo? Hello, Lolo? Hello, Lolo?
I'm squished.